Hey family, happy, what is today? Monday? Today is Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. Monday, I don't know what day it is. Y'all know. I don't know. It could be the 24th or the 25th, one of those days. But yeah, I'm at the Habitat Donation Center, and I'm going to be dropping off that lamp. I mean, yeah, the lantern and the other light fixture. And I have the kiddos back here, and they're upset. Like, what's wrong? They want to go home. I just got them, and they're talking about they want to go home. So I don't know what this day going to consist of, but today is going to be a great day. It's going to be an amazing day. I hope you guys are blessed. Hope you guys are feeling great about life. No matter what is going on, we got to still feel great about life. It is great things to come, right? Okay, well, I don't know, y'all. Like, what's wrong? He don't want to say nothing. So, yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a little while. I just wanted to pop in and say what's going on. You got anything to say, Bubby? They don't want to say nothing. I'll see y'all in a little while. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, Lowe's we go. Let's go find something that I need. Let's go find something. Why are you walking with your head down? You all right now? You feel a little better? When you go to the park, you'll feel better? I know. Hi. Go that way. Oh, I gotta put my mask on. Huh? Yeah, we can still go, but now I gotta put our mask on. Hold on, y'all. Got a mask up in these times. All right, come on. Uh-oh. Y'all don't have to wear no mask. All right, we gotta go over here. Y'all, this stuff is insane. I am getting so tired of wearing a mask. I know we have to, but this is cray. So let's. Voila. Y'all, they got nice mirrors. Look at this one. That's really pretty. Hold on, you guys. Ooh wee. Now that right there. This one. I like that circle one. I'm just showing them the mirrors. Ooh wee. Look at this country looking rustic. That one's cute too. All right, come on, right here. We gotta find. I gotta get a blind. Come on. I hope they have the size that I need. Oh my gosh, it don't look like they have it. I need 35. Is this it? 35. No, 35. We need this one right here. 34 by 64 inches. Okay. You want to hold that? You can't hold that. That's too heavy. You got it?
Yeah.
You got it? Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I got it, Mark. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Where you going? Where you going? All right, y'all. We are out of here. Come back, Mari. We out of this place, and we'll see you when we get home. You feeling all right now? No, you still sick? No. You still all right? You feel a little sick still? Y'all, tell the people hi, though. Okay. Where you going? All right. Open that door. Let him put it in. Big boy. And you just gonna sit there. Huh? Oh my Lord, you ain't helping at all. Let him get in there. Go ahead. Go ahead. I keep forgetting about that. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, y'all, this mask, I can't be doing that with this mask on. Huh? You want to do what?
Eat chips.
You want to eat chips? Wait till you want to wait later till we get home? Guys, we have snuck to the park. Well, not officially snuck, but we are at the park. We're actually at a school down the street. Huh? No, don't get on that one. I think you had to get on another one. Okay, hold on. But I don't think that we're supposed to be, because there's tape over here. I don't know if y'all can see the tape behind me. I'm gonna push you, but I think I know we're not supposed to be here. But before we got home, I said I would take them, because I've been wanting to bring them here. So I'm just gonna sit over here in this little grass area while they play. I see you. I see. While they play for a little while. So yeah, let me know what you guys are up to. Did I take my vitamins? Yeah, let me know. Oh wait a minute. Hold on. They can't see you. I'll turn it around in a minute. No, Mari, you got to get in the swing. Y'all look at him. You got to get in the swing. MJ, they couldn't see you, but don't take it. You can say hi, but wait a minute. Go ahead.
Hi, guys.
Mari, you got to get in the swing, honey. Let the swing stop and then get in it and do it. Okay? Okay? Whew, y'all, it's hot. It's a hot one today. I think it's like 80 something, 86. There you go, big boy. Like 86 degrees. So I'm not going to spend that much time here, but like I was saying, I think school is about to be open, where they're just actually like they have like the people who like work in the office, the teachers and people in here at this time, because I don't really think a school is officially open. So yeah, I'm just letting them do their thing. It's really a nice park, you guys. I like, not a park, but a nice little playground for kids, and it's like right down the road from me. And they have like I don't know if you guys can see, like right here, back here, they have like it's like a little picnic. I don't know what it is. It's like some little area for kids. Oh, it's like gardening, when the kids do gardening or something. But yeah, so we're just gonna sit here for a little while, and then I'm gonna go home and get them something to eat. Probably make me a smoothie. And what else? I know I'm gonna have to hang the blind. And yeah, so I'm just enjoying this time with them, guys. Yeah. Now they're back over here on the swings. Go ahead, buddy. Huh? Big boy. I didn't even know you knew how to get on that. Kick them in and out. Kick them in and out. All right, y'all. We're gonna I'm gonna end this video, well, this part of the video right now. So just to spend some time with them. What you say? Hold on, y'all. What you saying? You doing what? Okay. No, you can't do no, See, you can't do that. You almost fell. No, don't do that no more. Just swing regular, okay? I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? All right, y'all, I'm about to push him on the swing, and I'll see you guys once we get home and get settled. I'm about to push you, okay? I'm about to push you. You said hi, guys. Hold on, because they couldn't see you. Y'all be saying, want to say stuff when the camera's off. Go ahead. Now you can say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Uh-huh. All right, stop. Don't do that. Don't be backflipping. Mari? Okay. Come on. Yo, go ahead, Mari. Get on. Take your time. Take your time. Whee! Get it, Mari. Get it. There you go. Good job. Look, kick him out like this. Kick him out. Kick him out like that. Woo. Okay, come on. Good job. There you go. too. I'm not going to keep on doing that.
Oh, hi. Oh, this ain't my car. This ain't my car.
Look, we're going the same way. Woo, I see you. I see you. I see you. All right, come on. Y'all want to go to that thing over there?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
The swinging thing?
Yeah.
I jumped off the whole
Huh?
thing. I did it.
Okay.
Already did it.
All right. Ooh. Okay. There we go.
My turn.
Now stop it.
You gotta take it off me.
Huh?
You gotta take it off me. No. More.
Go ahead. Come on back. All right. He got it. Guys, we're back and it is lunchtime, so.
It's lunchtime, guys. Happy New Year.
Oh my God.
Happy New Year.
I'm currently trying to fix
And
something.
happy Monday. Happy birthday.
So, somebody's gonna have an egg roll and somebody's gonna have peanut butter and jelly and they're gonna have juice. It is not no 4th of July, whatever you're talking about.
And those guys right now, they go for food. Amen.
Amen. So he's having peanut butter and jelly, apples,
Apple
juice. You don't know how to do that?
Nope.
He's having egg roll.
And you have an egg roll.
All right, guys, I'm gonna attempt to, well, I'm not gonna attempt. I'm gonna hang this blind and I have my little helpers here. So I'm just gonna turn this camera around.
Hey, you
and
too.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
If you wanna help us do it, you can help us.
Come over here on this side. They can't see you. Come over there. Anyway.
If you wanna help us, you can help
Hold
us
on,
do
y'all.
it.
Go over that way. Go over that way. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is, I'm gonna turn the camera around and go ahead and help. I mean, have my little helper help me. However, don't do that because you're messing the blind up. So in this video, since the kids are in the videos, you can't, y'all, you can't leave
Maury behind.
right, but you, hold on. You can't, sorry y'all, you can't leave comments. So for all of you that like this video, just thumbs it up because I can't comment because of the kids are in there. So we're just going to go ahead and turn this camera around so I can get these blinds hung. And that's going to be it. Y'all can say bye if y'all want to.
Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube gang gang.
Okay, come on. Let's go over that way.
Bye, YouTube.
Go over that way.
gang. What am I supposed to do? Get on the ladder?
No, I am. You're not getting on no ladder. Just hold on. Don't bother that though, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Don't, look, Maury, she said don't bother that.
Right, don't bother that.
Look at Maury. She's trying to do
No,
it. Maury, don't bother that.
please don't do that. Okay?